Hey folks, Bob Holzhacker here, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. Here's one of my favorite cars right in the showroom, fairly rare, 22 CLA 250. Does it look a little reminiscent of the CLS? It's kind of like a baby CLS, but half price. Really a good value. The underpinnings are actually the A-Class, our smallest entry-level Mercedes-Benz, but this is really nicer, a lot more room. Let me take you inside. It's a great interior, a little bit wider than the A-Class. It really is a very sporty car. You have the coupe profile, excellent back seat, and what a neat interior, a little different than your run-of-the-mill vehicle. Okay, polar white, the black MB-TEX interior, and you have the AMG package on this car. So you've got the beautiful AMG wheels. By the way, it is the base engine, so this adds a little bit to the trim. It looks super nice, but not that much more expensive than the base car. Alrighty, look around it a little bit. You know, it's a great size for around town. It really is a step up from just a plain Jane car. Bob Holzhacker, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, 207-747-9714. Thank you.